A footage of me taking a short break after a tiring workout.
You can see a favorite YouTuber. You realize that going from here is longer than going from here to there. Hey, YouTuber. Yeah, capture the face. Look at me now. Oh. Wait, your phone camera actually clever to give you.
Jesus, I am freaking shy. Freaking shy. Do maybe. I just need a partner, but I don't think it's that bad. And my phone does not agree with son. They're going to small gates. I want to come that less project guy.
No, you don't carry the video for you. Okay, wait. Should they do YouTube video? Yeah.
That's smile. Shukuri. Tell them hi. I'll take this one. What verse are the video? Not happy. Mama, how much for this one? Guys, there's this soap I'm looking for. She's busy and I'm a customer, so she allows me inside her store. God. How next let me find soap in this place? Oh, I can't find this. I think I'm going to get this comfort call keeper for my upcoming video. I don't want to buy too much. 200, 1000 plus 25. Okay, I don't buy 35 items just now. Mama, this thing already in how much? No, not tomorrow market. If I see money. Mama, wrap this 3 for me. Fine girl, do me a favor and just say hi. I know you'll be shy, but this girl's cute. My phone is hitting. No. This one should not do me like this. Some people are hiding their face away from my camera. One just on my head now. My hand is killing me as I like my tripod. See hot mamas in school, guys. Now I'm not even passing. Look now, must get every angle. Fine girl. Are you sure?
Very shy. I don't know how to draw this.
What are you doing, guys? and I did not attend lectures today. Like I'm actually playing, I'm actually playing. I'm in final year. Okay, I will tell you just later why I did not attend lecture, but first, I'm very hungry. I'll be writing this morning. I just want to make some noodles. Let me eat because I'm really hungry. My eyes are turning me right now. I just want to make something. I wanted to get egg, but I'm inside the house and I only have 100 naira with me. Egg is now 120. I'm decided that I can't go out like this. I'm tired. My t-shirt even match the wrap I tied. So currently in the sitting room, I just want to watch some movies, then relax and chill. I want to close this door because the noise outside is killing me. So I'm just chilling in the parlor waiting for my noodles to get done, my indomie or whatever you guys call it. I'm watching some movies. It's not the movie I enjoy watching, but there's no problem, there's no big deal with it. Pepe. This is Pepe. Hello guys, I guess this is the end of my collective vlog and my random vlog. I'm sweating because the food is good. There's no egg, there's no fish, there's no meat, but so I want to go and take my bath because there's activities going on there. And I love you guys. Kisses. Mwah.